I've personally faced the frustrating issue of superflat worlds generating incorrectly, spending considerable time finding real solutions. After many attempts, I finally discovered several reliable ways to overcome this problem, and I am eager to share these with you now. This video will finally show you how to achieve a complete Minecraft Superflat world terrain generation fix, ensuring your creations are never ruined again. Corrupt game files or world data are common culprits. Minecraft relies on precise data to generate worlds, and if these are damaged, the terrain generation process can fail. Verifying files or reinstalling ensures all necessary components are pristine, allowing the game to build worlds correctly. Superflat worlds are defined by specific layer presets. If these settings are misconfigured or contain incompatible layers, the game engine struggles to interpret them, causing terrain to generate incorrectly. Adjusting these settings tells Minecraft exactly how to construct the world, preventing glitches from bad instructions. Over time, Minecraft accumulates temporary files and cache data. Sometimes this old or corrupted cache interferes with current game operations, including world generation. Clearing these files forces the game to rebuild fresh data, removing lingering errors. Lastly, Minecraft, like any game, depends on your computer's operating system, graphics drivers, and Java environment. Outdated or faulty drivers can lead to rendering or processing errors during world creation. Ensuring everything is up to date provides the game with the stable environment it needs, preventing glitches and ensuring proper terrain generation